Hello and welcome to the clinic. How much power is my biogas plant consuming? And I'm your host, Meijers. Okay, we are here at the biogas power plant. You can see some devices, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. And we've got a suitcase. The same suitcase probably that you also have. Suitcase with lots of cables in it. And I already attached them, and I'm going to learn. I'm going to try you to learn what is necessary to get a good measurement. Okay, the first thing we do, get an ampere applier, a measuring device to find out how much amps are running. I put it on amps, and I'm going to measure. This is all what you do before you wire up your suitcase. Okay, 200 ampere. Nice, I think. Then grab all the cables you have, grab all the things, I don't know how you call them, but these things, there's one blue, and there are 3 black ones, and there's a little fuse inside. It's not bad if you measure it with the same device as I have here. If the fuse is not blown, but okay, you check that, and if you check that, you wire up the cables. By example, in the blue one, you put the blue cable with the N. N goes to 24. 24, what's standing on the cable, sorry, corresponds with this 24. So all the cables have cable numbers, and if you respect them, 2K 21, 1L 22, 1K 23, if you respect them, you're halfway to wire up the measuring device. Okay. If you wired up the cables to the correct things, you can attach them. This is phase 1. I put it directly on the bolt behind the big main switch. If it's not safe to do, don't do it. As you can see, I respect L1, L2 and L3, and here's the 0. After that, you can clamp on the ampere pliers or clamps. I don't know what the name is. The brown one is phase 1, black is phase 2, gray is phase 3. I already measured. It was I measured 200 ampere. So on the clamp, you've got the COM, the S1 0. That's the beginning. And then you've got 3 choices, 250, 500 or 1000. And I choose in this way because I think this is a big plan and there's lots going on. On the moment not. On this moment I'm making 200 ampere. I choose 500. So wire up your clamp at 500 and then clamp them easy and careful at the faces like I did here. I make a little bit a distraction to make things better. As you can see, I've got all clamps the same way. There's a reason for it. There's a flotation direction of the current, and you have to respect this. Okay, I've wired this up on the S1. I've got the S1 cable, and on the 500 ampere I've got L3A cable. So it's 500. I will turn this to show you something. If you are wired it up, you are going to check if you wired it up well. If you put power on the measuring device, it starts measuring directly. On this moment it's making 200 amps on all the 3 phases. If you push the second button, 1, 2, 3, then you can change it in volts. Okay, you've got 230, 231 and 230, that's looking nice. This is kilovolts, amps, cosinus, 50 Hertz, nice, but actually I'm not interested in it. I'm interested in this one, kilowatts. You see, here's a minus 30. That means the clamp on the 3rd phase is wrong. I'm going to change it. I changed it, and now you can see the minus is gone. That means it's now connected the right way. Let's have another example. If this one wants to keep up, I can also change the second one way around, and if I do that, you can see the second phase is the wrong way. So respect and check if it's correct, as done correctly. Okay, well, if you did that, we choose in this configuration for 500 amp. So I choose for 500 amp, and for that we have to adjust, or we have to tell the measuring device that it's 500 amps. To tell it how much amp is at, you push first on select, you push select again, and then you push, I thought, this one, and then you push select again. Yes, and then the 5 starts blinking. On this moment the machine thinks there's a ampere plier behind it from 5000 amps. Okay, I'm going to adjust it. I make it 0. The first one again, the second is blinking. I make it 500, and now I'm done. I go on, and when I'm here I keep on pushing it, and now it's measuring correctly. To check it if it's done correctly, push select again, push the second, and then it's okay. And there you go out. Select again, and that's it. This is how it works, and on this moment it should measure your power. It takes an hour, then it puts it in a memory and so on, and here you only can hope that it's working correctly. So that was it. Thank you.